Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, we are going to answer the question that burns when you are trying to decide which Roland BN2 model to get. If you are considering white, do you really need it? I'm going to show you exactly why most people actually don't need it. Unless you are printing jobs, 20% of your jobs require white. You really don't need white because the material itself is white. And I'm going to show you in this example, this is a logo that I am going to put on a blue sweatshirt. The colors of the logo are red, white, and blue. It's my kids' school logo. So I'm going to put it on a navy blue sweatshirt. I don't need to print white and I don't need to print blue. I'm actually using minimal ink for this. And so it's all about the setup. So do you need white? Really think about that and watch this. Okay, so here is my printed and cut sheet. It looks like a lot of nothing. All right, so I've actually already trimmed off the side. Now, what I can feel, and you won't be able to see yet, is that there are a series of cut lines, okay? So that's why I left so much space out here. Now, typically, I will cut things apart. The reason I'm not going to do that yet is because I need to be able to see exactly where. So what I'm going to do is start from a corner and just peel up the excess HTV, okay? So that is going to show me where my outermost cut line is, okay? So all of this needs to be weeded away. And what you're gonna see, this is, again, part of the design. So this is right here. This is exactly why you do not need, most of the time, to have to print white, because you can get the effect, the look of white, just with the HTV itself, all right? So let me pull these out of here. All the way around. Okay, so now what I have is a good portion of my design that is weeded. But what did I tell you? My logo is red, white, and blue. So the blue is actually going to show through. So there is another cut line in here that, again, I can see and you can't, but if you look over at your logo, you'll be able to see exactly where to go. The other thing you can do is try to gently fold the HTV a little bit. And I don't know if you can see, but that's right where the cut line is. And this is the piece that I think I need to take out. Yes. So that little piece that I was actually lifting up, I need to keep that. This here, where I'm peeling now, is going to be where the blue of the shirt is going to show through, okay? So I wanna make sure, that's why I double checked, because you need to make sure that you're weeding out the correct thing. Otherwise, you are going to peel up part of your design. So hopefully this, you can see you do not need white to get the look of white. All right, now let me show you what we do next. Next thing that we do is we need to mask this. So if you have not done masking before, I have whole videos on how to mask. So I'm not going to go over the exact steps of that right now. I want to get it onto the shirt so you can see how the blue shows through. Okay, so here's the transfer on the shirt. I pressed it for 20 seconds at 3:05. And you can see that the logo appears red, white, and blue. And all I printed was this red. And so as you can see, you do not need white to print white. And actually, I printed very, very minimally on here, and I used very little ink for this project because not only did I use the white of the HTV itself, but I also used the blue of the shirt to come through to show those blue parts. So if you are wondering, how do you set up something like this? I have a video for that on Silhouette U. I am going to link to that so you can see a preview of that, but it's all about how you set it up before you take it into VersaWorks.